Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you my newly upgraded BBI Elite Force US Marine Lav-25. So previously it has no such details. So what's new in here? First, as you can see here on the driver's periscopes, I added iridescent film which my friend gave it to me, and over here some gun periscopes, two of them, as well as the periscope and the commander's cupola, and some single cupola periscope on the gunner's side. Okay, so we're here. This is for the tow missile integrated sight. Put some film over here, and colored paper, shiny colored paper from school supply, which found in some educational supply depots. And this tow tubes launcher I replaced with bigger hole to hold big tubes, an actual tube launch missile tube, which found back, which you can load by a soldier through a hatch over here. There are two of them. This is the actual tube of the tow missile. I replaced the spare wheels with a bottle cap, and I installed a single counter IED antenna that could prevent some IED to explode, so it can emit signal to 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 make the IED doesn't explode. And by the way, I painted this on desert tan, so to make match the color. And I add camo netting, which made from a table tennis net, and I cut it off and put it on the side as well as here. Here's the driver. Then the commander. It's hardly to see them, so there's a figure in there, and the gunner. So overall, upgraded this LAV to make more realistic and more armed to the teeth and more protected. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Keep safe and Goodbye.